Well, hey guys, we're on our way to the Hells Canyon area. We're here in the kind of the eastern side of Oregon, and we probably got another couple hours of driving left, but we've decided to stop for lunch. No big surprise there. We're always stopping to eat, seems like. But this is the, what's it called again? The Joseph Canyon Viewpoint. And I guess this is Joseph Canyon. All right, let's get to eating. That's a sandwich. Well guys, it's a little bit afternoonish. We've decided to just stop here. Pretty decent view. This is obviously a well-used camp in the past. I mean, people have even built a little outdoor porta potty thing, and there's just evidence that it's been used well. So we feel pretty comfortable using this as a campsite, and it's still pretty wet from the recent rains. We're going to try a fire. If the wind picks up at all, we're going to ditch using conventional firewood and just use a Duraflame, because those don't give out sparks. So just to be on the safe side.
Hurry up, it's time to eat! Hurry up!
Wait a minute. I'm the one cooking. Huh? I get it now. He's getting impatient. So pretty nice spot. Pretty quiet out here. A bit of a view, what they call a filtered view. Also on this trip, I got a comment or two, mostly one comment especially, about how long and scraggly this is getting. So theoretically, at the end of this, being this long, is going to happen on this trip. It's going to meet its demise sometime on this trip. Okay, we'll see you guys in camp. Yeah, there's some major cheating going on right now. Nothing from scratch. We're digging into the Lloyd's ribs. Just going to do them in the pan. But I've heard no objections so far. So
Just somebody screaming, hurry up.
yeah, other than just impatience. Let's try just putting them in the pan in sections. Yeah, I think the directions say you have to put this in the oven. But as you can tell, we don't have an oven out here. We have a pan. Okay, I think that'll do nicely. Man, that barbecue sauce goes everywhere.
Steam it up.
Steam it up. Some baked potato salad that I did not make, but it'll get us by. I think those are going to be pretty good, even if it is cheating. Baked potato salad from Haggen's.
What?
I'll have you know I worked on these ribs all day
I could tell. It shows.
until I took them out of the freezer this morning.